Now, I may be gross and perverted, and I'm obsessed and deranged, for I have existed for years. Very little has changed, for I'm a tool of the government and of industry too, for I am destined to rule and regulate you. I may be vile and pernicious, but you can't look away. I make you think I'm delicious with all the stuff that I say. I'm the best you can get. Have you guessed me yet? I'm the slime oozing out from your TV sets. Now you'll obey me while I read you and eat the garbage that I feed you. Until the day that we don't need you, don't go for help. No one will do. Your mind is totally controlled and it has been stuffed into my mold, and you'll do as you're told until the goods to you are sold. That's right, folks. Don't touch that dial. I may be vile and delicious, but you can't look away. I make you think I'm delicious with all that stuff that I say. I'm the best you